Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I will speak about two-point perspective and horizon line. This is horizon line and it's 2 points perspective. The horizon line, a line that draws parallel to our eyes to help us to find what part of the model we will see. And in the nature, the horizon line is different. The horizon line separating the sky from the earth. The line separating the sky from the earth is horizon line. At the end of this video, you will see an example about it. 2-point perspective. It means all lines end in 2 points, as you see. So, draw 3 lines on each point, upper, on, and under the line. And with this small line we can see 3 different parts of a cup by changing lines or view change, as you see. After this I will draw some object by 2 points perspective, and I hope my description were useful, and thanks. Enjoy the music and drawing.